Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. In this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing any paint protection film installations. Instead, we're going to be showcasing our new ceramic coating line that we just barely launched. Here we have our Defense Plus Nano Glass ceramic coating, and we also have our Defense Plus paint and PPF ceramic coating. Both of these coatings, once installed, should give you about 3 to 5 years of protection on both your paint protection film, and on the glass. This first video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over how to install the nano glass coating. And then the next video, which will be linked in the description below, we're going to go over how to properly install the paint and PPF ceramic coating. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Okay, we're going to get going with the glass ceramic coating here. So what you're going to need, first off, you're going to need some gloves like these, disposable gloves. You don't want to get any of this ceramic coating chemicals on your hand. This is just a safety precaution. Next thing you're going to need is you're going to need your applicator pad, which comes with the ceramic coating. And then you're also going to need your microfiber towels. So I like to use 3 microfiber towels when doing ceramic coatings. And I have them labeled out in my head as 1, 2, and 3 here on my cart. Towel number 2 is damp. Towels 1 and 3 are dry. So towel number 1 is going to be used to level the ceramic coating after we've installed it. Towel number 2, because it's damp, it's going to be used to take off any of the excess remaining ceramic coating that needs to be taken off after the coating has flashed. Towel number 3 is just for insurance purposes to make sure that there's no streaks being left behind or anything. Now, before we hop into actually ceramic coating the glass, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that the glass is properly prepped and cleaned. Now, you want to make sure that there's no bug guts, tar, tree sap, bird droppings, water spots, or anything like that on the glass, because whatever's on there and you ceramic coat over it is going to get trapped underneath that ceramic coating. So, because this Tesla Model Y is brand new, we've already gone ahead and prepped it. All I needed was my 90% isopropyl alcohol. I gave the glass a good cleaning, so there's no contamination, no water spots, nothing. So we're ready to get into that installation. If you want to find out how to properly prep glass and paint, they both get prepped the same way. I'll have a video linked down below. It's the same way we prep paint for a paint protection film installation. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so we've got our ceramic coating right over here. We've got our applicator pad. First thing that I want to do before I do anything, because this pad is completely dry and there's no product on there, I'm just going to take the coating and I'm just going to put a bunch of droplets on there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fold the applicator pad over, squeeze it together. This is just going to prime the pad. Now what I want to do, I'm going to add, this is hard to count, but I'd say roughly 8 to 10 drops on the pad. And now we can go and install this on the windshield. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing this top quarter of the windshield. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the applicator pad and I'm actually going to put it down kind of right in the middle of the working space that I want to use. So I'm going to break this window up into 4 different sections. So I'm just going to start in the middle. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to go over to the end, down, just like so. And then I'm just going to go back and forth. Once I get to the top, I'm going to go back and forth in the opposite direction. So the ceramic coating, it works itself in pretty good. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but there are little beads on the glass of coating. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that sit for about 15-20 seconds, and then I'm going to take my first towel and I'm going to level that out. Okay, so I got towel number 1 over here. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to come around the perimeter of the area that I coated And I'm going to go back and forth, just really light pressure. That's towel number 1. Now towel number 2, with it being wet, or damp I should say, I'm going to go a little bit bigger than the working space that I coated. And I'm just going to do the same thing as I did with my applicator pad. I'm just going to go back and forth in 2 different directions. And now towel number 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in a circular motion. And I'm going to go pretty quick. And this is going to be my insurance towel. And as I'm doing this, I'm making sure that I'm not seeing any streaks left behind or anything like that. So that's our first section done. It's definitely a whole lot slicker up here as it is compared to down here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to continue on with the rest of the windshield. Okay, so now I'm going to do this bottom corner of the windshield here. So I got my ceramic coating. It's ready on the applicator pad. Same thing. I'm just going to come down over here, down to the bottom. I'm just going to go back and forth. Just like so. Now I'm going to wait about 15-20 seconds. And I'm going to come in here with towel number 1, just super light pressure. Just enough pressure to get the microfiber towel to glide properly. All this is doing is just leveling the coating. Camera's probably not picking it up, but it's just leveling. Now towel number 2 is my damp towel. I'm going to come around, go just a little bit bigger than the work area that I had already previously ceramic coated. And this is just going to remove this ceramic coating that needs to come off, or the excess I should say. And then towel number 3, I'm going to come around. Towel number 3, my work area with this is going to be much bigger, because as we're using these towels, what we're doing is we're pushing the product further out on the windshield. So towel number 3 is just to go around as an insurance, just to make sure that there's nothing that's been pushed into an area that's already been done. And then it's going to look like it's got all kinds of streaks. Okay, now we'll move on to another window. Okay, so we've gone ahead, we've ceramic coated all the glass on the Tesla Model Y over here. If you guys are interested in picking up this ceramic coating to ceramic coat your vehicle, head to the description down below this video. There's going to be a link to this product on our website, along with a coupon code that you can save 20% on your kit. It's super, super easy to install. You cannot screw this up. And I firmly believe that you guys are going to enjoy this ceramic coating. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned to the next one, where we're going to go over how to install the paint protection film and paint ceramic coating.